Hello, today I am honored to introduce the sound hinge to you. First, I show you the product details. The main material is stainless steel, glass, zinc alloy. All material is American standard. The surface treatment is divided into polish, satin finish, matte black. Our customers can choose the customer size if they need the different colors. Outstanding finish enables our products to pass soil spray test for 48 hours. Okay, please look here, they have some difference. This one is bevel ledge, and another one is straight edge. They have different degree. This one is 90-degree single side hinge, and this is 90-degree water glass hinge. This is 180-degree hinge and 135-degree hinge. Attached accessory is 4 layers of high glass gaskets, effectively protect glass from damage. We have 5 tight gaskets providing the more choices. The accessory also include the screw, Allen keys, colloid particle. Okay, you find this one with many grease. We call it precision casting. And look, this one, there is solid. We call it pressure casting. We use CNC machining, which workman is more precise and the quality is more stable. The manual polishing to make surface smooth and beautiful. The production process includes manual drilling, punching, assembling, and sticking protect film.